Milky Way. Let's hear it for the hottest dance crew in the universe, the planet.
Come on, Pluto, it's starting.
Wait for me.
And our hotshot Mercury. Jupiter, large and in charge. Look out, Neptune.
Look, I'm big like Jupiter.
Oh no, look out.
There goes
It's
Saturn,
Saturn.
spinning her rings.
And Earth.
And Earth.
He's so stellar.
Mars and Venus turning up the heat. Would you do anything to be a planet? Then get ready for an intergalactic dance-off. The winner gets a spot on the planet's dance crew. This could be you.
Pluto, that's totally you. You have to try out.
But they're the planets. And I'm just weird.
You're not weird to me. You just need to practice.
And now, our next contestant, a little dipper from the dark, cold reaches of space, Pluto!
Whoa, zero gravity.
Looks like we have our winner!
Those were some stellar moves, kid. Welcome to the team.
Oh my gosh, Pluto! You did it! That was amazing!
Whoa, who's the asteroid?
This is my friend Sharon.
This weirdo is your friend? Come on, Pluto. Let's get out of here.
She's not weird to me.
Well, she's not coming with us. Come on, Pluto. If you're not a planet, what are you?
Exactly what I'm meant to be.
Want to grab a shake at the Milky Way?
I wouldn't miss it for the world.